Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how the Spectra breast pump work. Alright, let's begin. The first few weeks after your baby finally arrives is the time to soak in those yummy newborn snuggles. You shouldn't have to worry about pumping just yet. But when you are ready, you might pump for reasons like going back to work, a weekend getaway, low milk supply. Depending on your personal needs, you might need to pump occasionally or around the clock. Here are 5 facts to help you get started with your Spectra breast pump. Number 1. Choosing the right breast pump and flange size. Breast pumps come in manual, battery-operated, and electric models. Double electric pumps are ideal for working or exclusively pumping moms. Choosing the correct flange size is key, and improper fit can cause nipple pain and poor milk removal. Spectra offers a printable breast shield guide to help find the right fit. Number 2. When should you start pumping? If breastfeeding is going well, there's no need to pump immediately. It's best to wait 4 to 6 weeks postpartum, especially with a full-term, healthy baby. Earlier pumping may be needed for work or medical reasons. Begin with one daily session, ideally 30 minutes after a morning feed, and gradually increase as needed. Third, let's get pumping. Wash your hands and set up your pump in a relaxing space. Watching your baby's video or listening to music can boost milk flow. Use a hands-free bra and massage your breast during sessions to express more milk. Recommended settings: massage 70 expression 54, massage 70 expression 38, 5 minutes each, vacuum at comfort level. Number 4. How much milk should you be pumping? Exclusively breastfed infants consume around 25 ounces per day. Depending on the timing, expect to pump 1.5 to 4 ounces. Early on, you'll pump less as your body adjusts to the pump, just like learning to breastfeed. Lastly, clean, store, prepare. Sterilize parts before first use, not tubing. After each use, wash parts in warm soapy water and air dry. Use mild soap to avoid residue on flanges. Follow CDC guidelines for storing and preparing breast milk safely. In early postpartum weeks, prioritize skin-to-skin and nursing. Pumping can support your goals but doesn't have to overwhelm your routine. So that's basically how Spectra breast pump works. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.